Why is social influence so difficult? It often feels like you're trying to debug someone else's code in a programming language you've never seen. So today, we're installing a system update.
First, let's deconstruct the source code. This is Dale Carnegie's manual for the human operating system. It was written long before modern software or even reliable electricity, for that matter. Our objective is simple: install two core protocols from this foundational text. The first protocol we're installing governs input. This is the foundation. It has to be installed before any output can be effective. And the core principle is this: to be a good conversationalist, you have to become an exceptional listener. Your goal is to actively encourage other people to talk about themselves. Here's the micro action. In your very next conversation, give the other person your complete, exclusive attention. And the metric for success? Aim for them to speak for 75% of the interaction. Your own internal monologue will likely file a formal complaint. Ignore it. The power of this is significant. As the former president of Harvard, Charles W. Eliot, put it, exclusive attention to the person who is speaking to you is very important. Nothing else is so flattering as that. All right, let's move to our second protocol. Now we're shifting from passive input to active influence. You can think of this as a more advanced subroutine. The key here is realizing that true influence isn't about force, it's about guidance. You have to let the other person feel that the idea is their own. Why? Because people have far more faith in ideas they discover for themselves. So the microaction is to stop giving direct orders. Instead, you make suggestions, or you ask questions that guide them to your desired conclusion. Now, this requires letting go of the need for credit, which can be a real stress test for the ego's subroutine. And this technique has been used at the highest levels. Colonel House said of President Woodrow Wilson that the best way to convert him was to plant an idea casually and then be amazed when the president later presented that suggestion as his very own. Okay, now for a bonus. This is a simple but really powerful variable that modifies the entire social operating system for better results. And that variable is this: a person's name is the most important sound in any language to them. Using it is a simple command that validates their importance and makes them instantly more receptive. And unlike most software updates, this one is free. So here is your final directive. It is time to move from theory to practice. You're going to deploy this system update within the next 24 hours. Tonight, set aside some time for a self-review. Just look back at your conversations from the day and then ask yourself two simple questions. What mistakes did I make? And what lessons have I learned for the future? Nothing says fun evening like a scheduled self-appraisal. I turned this into a clean PDF and an action worksheet for you. The link is in the description or the pinned comment. If this was helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more.
And comment below, what's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?